ಸಂವತ್ಸರ, that is the rutus, and also atura avastha is the stage of the patient. So ಈಗ ಆತುರ ಅವಸ್ಥಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೆನಿ ಅದರ್ ಇದು ಷಡಾವೇಕ್ಷ ಕಾಲ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಆತುರ ಅವಸ್ಥಾ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಟಾಕ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಂವತ್ಸರ ಕಾಲ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಹೇಮಂತೆ ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮೆ ವರ್ಷಶ್ಚೇತಿ ಶೀತ ಉಷ್ಣ ವರ್ಷಲಕ್ಷಣಸ್ತ್ರಯಃ ಋತವೋ ಭವಂತಿ. ಶ್ಲೋಕ ನಂಬರ್ 128. ಸೊ ತೇಷಾಂ ಅಂತರೇಷು ಇತರೆ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಲಕ್ಷಣಃ. ಸೊ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಋತುಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಾವೃದ್, ಶರದ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಸಂತ. ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್. ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಲಕ್ಷಣಸ್ತ್ರಯ ಋತವಃ ಪ್ರಾವೃಡ್, ಶರದ್, ವಸಂತ. ಪ್ರಾವೃಡ್ ಇತಿ ಪ್ರಥಮಃ ಪ್ರವೃಷ್ಟಃ ಕಾಲಃ. Underline. Pravrit is Pratama Pravrishta Kala. Pravrishta is raining, early rains. Tasya Anubandho hi Varshaha. Pravrit Varsha. Yes. So this is considering the extreme quality. So extreme winter coldness, it is Shita Rutu, and extreme hotness, it is Varsha, Ushna Rutu, and extreme rain, it is Varsha Rutu. So the other sadharana rutus are Pravrit, Vasanta, and Sharad Rutu. Okay. So yes. So in the commentary they have given that. So the people who live in the northern part of the Ganga river. The Pravrit Rutu is considered for Ashada and Shravana Masa. Prathama Pravrit is Ashada and Shravana Masa. Siddhisthana. So who live in northern part of Dakshin or Ganga, so there will be more rains. So Varsha will be more. So for that's why they have considered early rain and the rainy season. Okay. So Pravrit Varsha and Varsha Rutu, they have considered the southern part, Dakshina Bhaga. So the Uttara Bhaga, those who live in the southern part, Uttara is northern part of the Ganga. So there will be more, no more rains. There will be more coldness. So because that's why they have considered Hemanta and Shishira Rutu. Okay, so both are accepted. So based on the different parts of the place, so it is considered. Okay, so Hemanta Shishira is considering extreme coldness. Pravrit and Varsha considering extreme rains. So Sadharana Rutus, you remember. Okay, then Pravritti, sloka number 129. Pravrittistu Pratikarma Samarambha. Underline it. Pratikarma Samarambha. Pratikarma, that is Chikitsa Krama. Chikitsa. Pratikarma is Chikitsa. To start the Chikitsa is Pravritti. Okay, and important sloka number 132. Parikshastu kalu prayojanam pratipattir jnanam pratipattir nama yo vikaro yatha pratipattir vyaktasya tatha anusthana jnanam. So to understand the roga and rogi, pratipattihi. To understand the disease and giving the treatment as it is. That is the benefit of Dashavidha Pariksha. Yes, this is about Samaraka Vimanasthana 8th chapter. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧುರ ಸ್ಕಂದ, ಕಷಾಯ ಸ್ಕಂದ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ವೆದರ್ MCQs ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಮಾನಸ್ಥಾನ